Hi Harry, this is the detailed drawing from the previous one. In the previous drawing, we have shown that this drawing it's just we draw it from the letter R, a boy walking. Now we are putting the colors on the drawing. Let's complete the drawing and put more colors to make the drawing nice and shine. So the boots here you see it's gorgeous. Okay. Let's make the elaboration of the shades in this part. The boy, the red jacket looks really nice. He just put the hands inside the pocket. Also dark shades along with the hands, as you see here, and also dark shades to this borderline. Let's put elaborate shades for this hoodie. Make the shades little thicker and detail like this. Now the hoodie looks really nice. And the color here we can put regular shading colors for the boy. The hairs is darker. Let's put little shades for the front side. We can make the eyebrow little deeper. You can put little shades on the hands too, on one side. All the details work makes the drawings nice. This is the bottom part of the jacket, and the side is darker like this, so that it has a depth. All right, let's put ground here. We can draw ground here. Sorry, the boy is walking on the ground. All right, I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Do the practice lot more. and stay with us, the blue hands drawing. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.